Hey, Hobbs.
I don't care how many Dago, Guinea, greaseball goombas come out of the woodwork. I'm German-Irish. Well, let me tell you something, my crowd big friend. I'm gonna make so much trouble for you, you won't know what it is. I'm a lawyer, I am not threatened. I know almost every big lawyer in New York. Who the hell are you? I have a special practice. I handle one client. Now, you have my number, I'll wait for you.
This cat loves me more than anything,
By the way, I
huh?
admire your pictures very much.
Love you, buddy.
Check them out.